Samuel Kato, a father of 3 and a resident of Nambe Tulubatu village in Wakisa district, confesses that he has been a culprit in physical violence against his children.
My children were suffering because I was torturing them in the way they didn't like it.
Kato separated with his first wife a few years ago, and as a result he got a new wife who similarly mistreated the children to an extent that one of them ran out of the home. But Kato's life changed when the Makerere University Child Health and Development Center introduced the Parenting for Respectability program aimed at reducing violence against children.
Since we learned, we have changed. We have a change in our home. Our children are learning well.
Research that we conducted in the years before we started the program led us to realize that parents are interested in achieving many positive outcomes for their children. However, many of the parents did not know exactly how to achieve these results. To achieve these results, parents resorted to harsh discipline, to beat children so that they can conform to the discipline that they require.
The content includes bonding and attachment, gender socialization, positive discipline, and spousal relationships.
It is addressing the most important concern of parents to raise children who are successful in life and whose outcomes bring respect to their families.
My objective mainly is to improve the welfare of the children by stopping the violence that children suffer in homes.
According to the Uganda Violence Against Children Survey report findings, physical violence does not only happen in homes but also in schools.
Several people who are much older and more accomplished, so to say, saying, oh, I was beaten so hard, this is why I concentrated in school. That reinforces the practice. So I think that going forward, it's important to start popularizing the alternatives.
So what should be done to curb the situation?
We developed the National Strategic Plan on elimination of violence against children in schools, and we've implemented this strategic plan. In about over 67 districts, the implementation is going on.
Physical violence, according to VAC's report, included punching, kicking, beating, strangling, suffocating, burning intentionally, threatening with a knife, gun or any other weapon, and at least 1 in 4 children missed school after experiencing physical violence. Violence against children can cause mental disorder, loss of esteem or confidence, isolation, poor performance in school, among others. UNICEF, in partnership with Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development, launched a toll-free helpline that members of the public can use to report forms of violence and abuse against children. The toll-free number is 116, or else one can also send us on 8338 if they have a story. I'm Dennis Waniala, reporting for Urban TV.